Yeah, so your Google Analytic is connected with your Blogger account, and you guys can see the ownership auto verified, and you guys can click go to property. Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I can show you the one website, the Blogger, and I can going to talk about the how you can connect your search console with your Blogger website, and how you can connect your Google Analytic with your Blogger account. Okay, so I can show you the whole process. I can going to show you how you can connect your Analytic and the search console. So firstly we can going to connect our Analytic. So you guys have to type on Google search box Google Analytics. Then you can click first result, and then you guys have to click for the get started today. I think my internet connection is little bit slow. Let me check. Yeah, so there is a button start measuring. You guys have to click over there. Then you can for the property name, you guys have to add your property name, your my new account name. So which brand name you guys are creating, you guys have to choose. For the my case, I am creating a glean traffic of page glean traffic blogger. And then you guys have to select all the checkbox. Then you can click for the next button, and then you can add property name glean traffic, and then you can choose your time zone. Our company is located from the Canada, and you guys have to choose your currency Canadian dollar. So advanced option, you can ignore these things. Create universal analytic property, you can ignore these things. Then you can click to next button. Then you guys have to choose your company category. For the my case, travel, sports, shopping, science, we are providing a traffic management services. So there is, I think there is no any category related to traffic management. So I can going to select other. Then you guys have to choose how much large is your business is, how much employees are working with your company. Then you can click to next button, and after that you can check all four checkbox. And then if you guys can click number of fifth, get baseline report, then your all previous checkbox is going to deselect. Okay, so you guys have to select your all four checkbox: generate leads, drive online sales, raise brand awareness, and examine user behavior. Then you guys have to click for the create, and then after that you can select your country again, Canada. Then you can acknowledge the terms and condition. Then you can click um, Canada, and then again you can accept, and then you can click to accept button, and you guys can see. Yeah, so there you guys have to select your web, and then you can add your website URL. So this is our website URL, and you guys have to remove HTTPS, and then you can add your website name, Glean Traffic, and then you can click to create a stream. And after that, this website can Google Analytics can give you the measurement ID, and I can yeah, this is your measurement ID, and you can click to edit button. Yeah, you can click view tag instruction, and where you guys have to copy these measurement id, this measurement id. Okay, uh, yeah, this is taking a couple of, select your platform, install manually. Yeah, after that you guys have to go for the install manually, and there is your measurement id is available. You guys have to copy and go your blogger settings, and where you guys can see Google Analytic measurement ID, you guys have to click over there. Then you can fill your measurement ID. Then you can click to save button, and after that you can go analytic, and then you can click test. Yeah, so your Google Analytic is connected with your blogger account, and you guys have to wait couple of second. Yeah, so you guys can see no data received in past 48 hours, because we uh, connected now we connected our Google Analytics now. So then Google then Analytics don't have any data about your website users behavior, users data. Okay, so then you guys have to click for the next button, and the data collection is pending. Then you guys can click to continue home page, and you guys are able to explore your Google Analytic home page. And if you want, then you can select and check all and save. If you can select all the features, then Google Analytic can send you the any updates about the Google Analytic and other things. If you want, then you can select. Otherwise, you can uncheck all and click to on save. Okay, so now we can check our any traffic. Our Google Analytic is counting the traffic or not. So we can click read more, and we can check. Yeah, so you guys can see the one user is Google Analytics started counting one user from India. So our analytic is working properly. So now we can move forward with the how we can connect our search console. And you guys have to click start now, and you can fill your website URL from URL prefix section. Okay, then you can click to continue button, and you guys can see the ownership auto verified, and you guys can click go to property, and this is your search console dashboard. Whatever you want, you guys have to explore search console all the features. If you are a beginner, and I can show you how, you guys are also able to inspect your website URL. Yeah, so your you guys can see the our blogger account is not indexed in Google search console data. So you guys have to click and raise a request for the indexing. So all the process we have completed, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestions about the search console and the Google Analytic to intersect with your blogger website while they're doing your if you guys are doing article submission with your blogger website, and then you guys have created a subdomain related to your website. So you guys have to create search console and the analytic, where you guys can, if you guys can publish any article and the blog, you guys have to submit your article URL on the search console. It should be going to help to index very soon, very quickly, and then give you the link juice and the priority of your main website. Okay guys, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And for the last, I wanted to request you with a one thing. If you guys are new on my channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so please, it's my humble request to you guys have to hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivating me to create rapidly videos for you guys. I hope you can understand how much these things are taking effort. So I hope you can understand, and you guys have to hit the subscribe button. because I at least I want to you guys can complete my 1K subscriber, because um if I if I'm have not achieved a 1K subscriber during the 1 year period of the video creation, then Google YouTube monetization team cannot going to allow me to monetize my YouTube channel. So I hope you can help me something if you want. Okay guys, so bye bye, yeah, take care.